Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inserting the sound EQ Bo6 on the track or bus you want to shape. Set input gain to unity so you don't mask problems with level changes. Once done, choose a flat preset and enable the spectrum analyzer to visualize energy. Solo briefly to isolate issues, but make sure to return to the full mix frequently. This keeps balance realistic. Now identify obvious peaks and dips, mark the troublesome frequencies, and prepare to engage the individual bands for corrective work. You'll now choose the right band types for each task. Use a high pass to clean low rumble, bell bands for problem frequencies, and shelves for tonal balance. When you need to remove a resonance, boost with a narrow cue and sweep to find the offending tone, then invert that setting to cut. This is faster and more precise. Make small gain moves. Subtraction is usually more natural than adding. As you work, keep an ear on overall level and compare with bypass so decisions aren't level dependent. You finish by a /B testing your settings in the full mix and saving a snapshot so you can revert quickly. Make contextual tweaks now. Automate band gain for sections that change, and audition on headphones, monitors, and at different levels to confirm translation. If you hear phase issues or weirdness, check mono and disable bands one at a time. If something still sounds wrong, reset the problematic band, apply a narrow corrective cut instead of broad boosts, or bypass Bo6 to confirm the source of the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.